Hello everyone, welcome to World Military Power. Today in this video we are going to compare the military power between Turkey versus Greece. Which country is most powerful? So let's find out. Global rank 13 and 27 according to global firepower. Turkey capital Ankara and Greece capital Athens. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and Ekaterina Salenkaropoulos. Population, Turkey population 85.99 million, while Greece population 10.63 million. GDP 844.53 billion and 224.89 billion US dollars. GDP per capita 12,600 and 23,900. Nuclear weapons, both countries have no any nuclear weapons. Turkey defense budget 15.5 billion, while Greece defense budget 6.6 billion. Armed force, Turkish land force and Hellenic army. Total military 775,000 and 335,000. Active military, Turkey have 425,000, while Greece have 130,000.
Reserve military, Turkey have 200,000, while Greece have around 221,000.
Combat tank, Turkey have 3,037, while Greece have 1,243. Armored fighting vehicle, Turkey have 13,270, while Greece have 6,134. Infantry fighting vehicle, Turkey have 650, while Greece have 493. Armored personnel carrier, Turkey have 8,096, while Greece have 2,482. MRAP, Turkey have 2,857, while Greece have 1,200. Self-propelled artillery, Turkey have 956, while Greece have 590. Field artillery, Turkey have 1,189, while Greece have 669. Rocket projector 407 and Greece have 147. Air Force, Turkish Air Force and Hellenic Air Force. Total aircraft, Turkey have 1,062, while Greece have 644. Combat aircraft, Turkey have 206, while Greece have 188. Multi-role aircraft, Turkey have 158, while Greece have 143. Attack aircraft, what is TM45? No any attack aircraft. Special mission aircraft, Turkey have 20, while Greece have 14. Tanker aircraft, Turkey have 7, while Hellenic Air Force have no any tanker. What country have no any bomber aircraft? What Air Force have 4 AWACS aircraft. Turkey have 1 electronic warfare aircraft, while Greece have no any electronic warfare aircraft. Turkey have 207, while Greece have 146 trainer aircraft. Transport aircraft, Turkey have 81, while Greece have 22. Total helicopter, Turkey have 474, while Greece have 270. Attack helicopter, Turkey have 107, while Greece have 29. UAV, Turkey have 302, while Greece have 19. Air Force, Turkey have 98, while Greece have 77. Naval comparison, Turkish Naval Force and Hellenic Navy. Total naval fleet strength, Turkey have 156, while Greece have 120. Both navy have no any aircraft carrier. Both have no helicopter carrier. Turkey have 16 while Greece have 13 frigates. What country have no any destroyer? Turkish Navy have 10 while Greece Navy have no any corvettes. Turkish Navy have 12, Hellenic Navy have 11 submarines. Patrol vessels, both have 35 patrol vessels. Mine warfare craft, Turkey have 11 while Greece have 8. Merchant marine, Turkey have 1217 while Greece have 1236. Ports and terminal, Turkey have 10 while Greece have 7. Thank you giving for your valuable time.